Enjoy the view of this 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This capable Santa Cruz delivers premium comfort, a smooth, quiet ride, and utility fit for adventurers. High-end design and high-tech equipped, it blends sophistication with remarkable versatility. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera. Feel up for the challenge in this highly versatile Santa Cruz. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.